What's up, y'all? This is your boy Jack, back again with another video. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Bauer clip-on ring light, and it goes on mobile devices, and then the Bauer flexible 24-inch ring light. And it has the also you can also utilize it with your phone as well. But before we get started, just like always, I'd highly appreciate if you guys do all that cool YouTube stuff and like, share, and subscribe, and ring that little bell notification. It definitely helps out the channel. I'd really appreciate it. Bauer, if y'all want to holler at me, holler at your boy. Looking for more partners to get this channel off the ground. So you can get these. I got these at Best Buy. This Bauer clip-on LED ring light. I got this for about $10 at Best Buy, and the actual Bauer flexible, I got it for $20. So let's see what you get in the box. Looks pretty straightforward. This is the ring light, and that's the quality of it. That's the size and things of that nature. Inside this little box thing, I would imagine that would be some type of instructions and the USB cable. It's trolling a little bit. So I'm trying to get it out the box. It is micro USB, which is blah in my book. However, for $10, I can't really complain. I prefer USB-C, but hey, it is what it is. There's the instructions if you guys wanted to pause. And there's some of the specifications itself. So the device, the actual USB plugs into the top portion of the light itself. And there you go. So I'm going to plug it in real quick. And just so you guys can actually see it in action and see how it works. I'm not sure if you guys can really see when I plugged it in. It has a light red light to show that it's been charging up. So hopefully, saying if it had a little bit of juice, we can get in there and we can actually see, the actual effects of it and things of that nature. So I'm going to bring out my phone. This is S21 Ultra. Clean this up a little bit of housekeeping. I have S21 Ultra, and this one does have a case on it, so this will kind of give you a look on how it would look. So I have a VRS wallet style case. It fits on the top for the selfie portion. Fits on top just fine. And this is what the light will look like, and it definitely has the different little levels of brightness, kind of cycling through them. Easy day. As you can see, my case is pretty thick. So again, you shouldn't have a problem unless you have a super big case. So now on to the big dog, the flexible 24-inch ring light. And again, like I said before, this one is $20 on Best Buy. And like I said, I'll leave the link in the description. So it has the flexible neck and arm. Making videos, it can rotate 360 degrees. The secure mounting clip, and this one has a remote, just like the SunPack remote. I mean the SunPack ring light. So I'm definitely feeling those where it actually has a remote, so you can actually adjust it, and so you don't have to really go in there and dink around with your setup once you have everything kind of how you like it. This one in particular comes in white. I'm not sure if it comes in black, but the white one is the only one that I've actually seen itself. It does have a glossy finish. So if that's your thing, if you're trying to keep a certain certain aesthetic, just know that this one in particular comes in white. Here's the instruction booklet. Pretty straightforward. Nothing really to write home about. As far as what actually comes in the box, you get the unit itself, you get the usual books, shout out to Floss, and you get the phone clamp. It's their traditional squeeze phone clamp. And then inside the light packaging, it's very the build quality is definitely legit. This is one of those things where you pay $20 and you're definitely getting a quality product. So shout out to shout out to the folks over there at Bauer for producing a quality product. It definitely feels like it'll last for a while. The clip is very, very sturdy. It has the little soft touch portion, so if you clip it to your desk, it won't scratch up your desk. The cable, it's not braided or anything like that, but it's just it looks like a standard cable, but the feel of it gives that feeling of a very very sturdy made device. So I'm going to go ahead and plug it in so you guys can take a look and see the different light levels. I'm kind of playing around with them a little bit. Let me turn off my light. I don't want to really blind y'all, but I do want you guys to be able to take a look at it. Has the different levels, your earth tones for your skin, and the super bright lights and things like that. And so it does get pretty bright. So again, this is one of those things where you definitely get what you're paying for. So, saying this is one of those devices that, when you pay the $20, you're definitely getting some value. Here's the phone clip again with the S21 Ultra. And so you can see the phone clip is legit. So it can definitely fit. So again, I don't want to keep you guys here too long. You guys take care of each other. Peace.